Now start today practical 13 unpaired t-test. Example first. In a nutritional study, 30 children were given a usual diet plus vitamin A and B tablets, while the second comparable group of 12 children was taking the usual diet. After 12, after 12 months, the gain in weight in pound was network problem. After 12 months, the gain in weight in pounds was noted as given in the table below. Can we say that vitamin A and D were responsible for the difference? Then table children vitamin group A and children vitamin group B. This is the data. Then solution children on vitamin group A on vitamin group B x x square x square. Then total x is 52, x square is 240, and x is 30, and x square is 80. Then using group A and B, then group A n is equal to 30, x bar is equal to 4, summation x square is equal to 240. Then summation x square upon n is 200. Then group B 12, 2.5, 86 and 75. Then using formulas for calculating unpaired t-test for summation of x minus x bar square is 11. Then here the square of combined variance is equal to summation of x minus x bar square of group A plus summation x minus x bar square of group B. Group B upon total number in two groups minus 2. Then group A 32 and group B 11 upon 30 plus 12 minus 2 is equal to 1.87. Then ESD is equal to under root 1.87. Then ESD is equal to 1.37. Then another using formula standard error, calculating standard error is equal to ESD into under root 1 upon n plus 1 upon n. Then standard error is equal to 0.548. Then calculating p-value, total number of observations. Then P23 calculating group A, group B upon standard error. Then P23 is equal to 2.74. Then conclusion, correlated degree of freedom is equal to n1 plus n2 minus 2 is equal to 13 plus 12 minus 2 is equal to 23 degree centigrade. Then the highest obtainable value of T at 5% level of significance is 2.069 as found on a reference to the table is 2.74 vitamin A and B were responsible for the difference in increase of weight in two groups. Then example 2. The ESR of 15 males and 10 females TB patient before start treatment is given below. Examine the significance of the difference in the mean. The given data, male and female, male is x1 and female is x. Then n1 is equal to 50, x bar 1 is equal to 88.73, sd1 is 25.3278, then n2 is equal to 10, x bar 2 is equal to 94.90, sd2 is equal to 15.765. Then using AD square or combined variance, AD square is 487.73, then SD is equal to 22.08. Then using standard error or using the formula SD into under root 1 upon n1 plus 1 upon n. Then standard error is 9.01. Then T23 is minus 0. Then conclusion, polluted degrees of freedom n1 plus n2 minus 2 is equal to 15 plus 10 minus 2 is 20. The probability of occurrence of calculate value by chance is greater than 0.4, leading to an acceptance of the null hypothesis. Hence, female patient is statistically insignificant. Then example third. The following table presents the mean cumulative weight loss in GAN for 12 subjects following yoga under professional guidance, and for 11 control patients reporting brisk walking for half hour daily. Do the data present sufficient evidence to conclude that the mean cumulative weight loss is different in two groups? To calculate polluted or combined variance weight loss by each patient is required, which is not given. Therefore, find the same by the formula. Then yoga group n is equal to 12, mean weight loss in kg 120, then AD is 10.0, then control 11 78.0. Then same as SD or combined variance is total sum of square is 1740, then polluted variance is 82.57, then SD 9.1. Then standard error. Standard error is 3.8. Then T21 is 13.60. Then conclusion, T table corresponding to 21 degrees of freedom, we find that T21 at 1% level is 2.831 and 0.1% level of 3.819. Then showing thereby that difference in weight loss with yoga is highly significant at 0.1% level. Then next example, in study mean weight of subject in two groups A and B where 59.2 and 56.5 kg with SD 2.9 and 3.6 respectively. Group A had 17 subjects while Group B involved 15 subjects. Find out whether the weight of these two groups differently significant. Assume that the distribution of weight is normal in both the groups. Then tabulated value of test statistics at required degrees of freedom is 2.042. Then solution. The null hypothesis, there is no difference in mean weight of subject between group A and group B. Then alternative hypothesis, there is a difference in mean weight of subject between group A and B. Then calculating polluted variance, SD square is equal to of n1 minus 1 Hg1 square plus of n2 minus 1 Hg2 square upon n1 plus n2 minus 2. Then this formula put up the values for n1 is 70, n2 is 15, Hg1 is 2.9, Hg2 is 3.6, x bar 1 is 59.2, x bar 2 56.5. Put up the value this formula. Then AD square is 10.53. Then next step, test statistics and its calculation. Then T is equal to x bar 1 minus x bar 2 upon under root of SD square upon N1 plus of AD square upon N2. Put up the value for this formula. Then T is equal to 2.348. Then assessing significance using table of critical value, degrees of freedom of n1 plus n2 minus 2 is equal to 30. Then tabulated t value at the calculated degrees of freedom 30 is 2.042. Hence, we reject the null hypothesis. Then interpretation, there is a statistically significant difference in mean weight between group A and group B. Thank you very much.